wabire nagambaho n'abanyamakuru mukuru w'ishomero Rubongo ya Charles Drake aherekero kwatwaho aho wabashomesa ba arts okurimwa kuzumbi bina kushomesa kandi cyagizire ngo iki kirungi kiteganisa abakushomesa nka literature, history, fine art hamwe na religious education.
Inform government that the industrial action is real and it is taking effect. At Impanga Secondary School, I have 23 arts teachers who have all withdrawn their services and they are on a sit-down strike. And as a head teacher, what else can I do? They are exercising their constitutional right.
Obwa hati ishomero ni siabana 1392 kandi abina bashomesa 9 kandi bashimikwa bina bashomesa 120 omuri yabo 9 39 bari yahamushara gwa government kandi kiriyo nkihereza ebyo bwigeso mu ishomero byacumbagira
of 120 teachers, and well knowing that it is a government school, it means that government should have sent here 120 teachers. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Apparently or currently, we have 90 teachers on the ground who are teaching. But out of those 90 teachers, it means we have a shortfall of 30.
Rubongo ya Charles Drake hayongere yagira ngo gwikarakasa kwa bashomesa kwine ebikoresere hobi ahishomero na mnonge migisha iribire ryatunga.
The strike has affected us in so many ways. Here at Impanga, we had fully prepared and geared ourselves for the ball game 2 competitions. We had invested our time, our effort, our energy, our financial resources. We had prepared the students, but unfortunately the games were called off because of the industrial action.
Omwe ombeji akwina Sandra na wagizire ngo esandi birezuhwireho tine mu mushomesa wa arts owashira mu kirasi kandi kiri nkibateganisa.
Ngiyona ishomero n'ibibariho tubeye twara kurungirwa n'amazima kandi kwedima kwa abazere kumi nturakwine ebibiri kutumetiye nijya kwicokoraho amasomo ga geography habwa utsibire zirabire tutata kusoma ekiyoni ndanko umuntu ko mwana usomera ndimi nkine ko talibaniza akuba kandi bere twara kurungi cyo kanesanga
Rubongo ya Charles ayongere yashaba government okureba bakanguyira kangerere nshongezi kandi yagira ngo cyakuba kitakozurweho nikibasa kuteganisa abana omishomo yabo ombwire butarwa hati.
We only call upon government to respond to their demands and let the government not keep quiet, because the more they keep quiet is the more they escalate this problem.
Nabebembes bona abakutura yindi abakorera umukoro gunu batuyambe bagaruke mu abege sabo hanyuma ekibakwetaga
okwikarakasa kwa bashomesa aba arts obari kwenda government kwebahereza emishare kwingana n'aba science kwataho mu weeks nyingi kandi iki kizire nkiremesa abana na munonga bakushomera mu mashomero ga government okutunga okubashomesebwa. Dasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki, Habwa Tayari West.